Okay, class, day 18, video 2. Now complete the reading. Last picture. So, hello, says a crocodile. Can I help you? The pancakes says, yes, please. I can't cross the river because I can't swim. The crocodile says, get on my back, I will help you, says the crocodile. The pancake gets on the crocodile's back and snap, the crocodile eats it up. What a nice pancake, says the crocodile. So, after the reading, do true false on book. Write F for false sentences and T for true sentences. Read them and write T and F for T for true or F for false. It runs away. The pancake runs away. Yes, true. The woman eat the pancake. No, false. A cat sees the pancake. False. The dog sees. A dog sees